constitutional and legal duty and responsibility to defend the integrity and sovereignty of the country. The Ethiopian Defense Force settled to fight against the attack triggered by TPLF and were driven into war they were not ready, prepared for, did not want, or did not initiate. We, the youth, also need peace. We wish peace than war for our country, and we say no more! No more! No more! No more! The Western media, including CNN, BBC, AFP, AP, Reuters, Al Jazeera, among others, are spreading fake news, unfounded and biased stories in the support of TPLF. Terrorists group and malinform their audiences to sympathize with this group. We say no more to fake news! No more CNN! No more Al Jazeera! We are observing foreign meddling influences and sanctions against democratically elected, widely endorsed and Ethiopian governments. The actions appears to be on support of TPLF. It's against the international law, convention and United Nations to forcefully try to remove a democratically elected government. We have seen development aids and economic opportunities being used to pressure on the government that literally affects the livelihood and survival of millions of Ethiopians, especially women, children who are at risk and vulnerability. Therefore, we urge and request all foreign media outlets, government, states, companies, and multilateral organizations to immediately and unconditionally cease from meddling in Ethiopian affairs. And we say no more! No more! No more! No more! We call upon all Ethiopians, youth at home, and stand together with us. Remain firm and united in support of national cause to build back rehabilitation and integration. God bless Ethiopia, God bless Eritrea, God bless Kenya.